Hi there, my name's Brett Hargreaves. I'm a developer, author, teacher and blogger based in the UK. I specialise in web technologies and just one of these happens to be Microsoft Dynamics CRM. My course is about how to customise CRM without writing a single line of code. I cover the majority of the Microsoft MB2-703 exam, although this isn't an officially recognised course of course. So why does anybody use Microsoft Dynamics? Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a powerful and flexible management tool. It covers sales, service and marketing right out of the box. However, CRM can be easily customised without writing a single line of code. Microsoft Dynamics CRM can also be further customised and extended with code known as XRM. But why should you bother learning Dynamics at all? I'll tell you. Microsoft Dynamics CRM is growing at a phenomenal rate and is now placed as one of the market leaders in the CRM space. This success is due to an aggressive price point, a full suite of features and great partner links. Demand for CRM consultants is at an all-time high. Current contractor rates in the UK are around £400 a day, and in the US they're around $550 a day. Microsoft Dynamics Online can be customised from just about anywhere in the world. This creates fantastic opportunities for remote working. So what will you learn on my course? In my course I'm going to show you how you customise Dynamics CRM. I'm going to take you through creating new solutions and how to edit and update those solutions, customising them as you go, and you will see just how easy it is. So please join me now and start on the path to becoming a CRM consultant.